everybody, I wanna just show you my collection iPhone. Every phone I buy on the bulletin board with my own funds. So first, this is iPhone 7. This phone has scratches from the screen protective. Sensor is absolutely work, but crack. Factory original protective screen. Body is have some crack, but this phone block in the passcode, so it's only for unlocking, only for parts. The next phone, this is also iPhone 7, has also crack protective, but sensor absolutely work. Touch ID also work, but also block on the passcode screen. Storage is 128. This is also only for unlocking or for parts. Body have protective film, and if this film delete, condition is not bad. Sensor is well, only should change protective screen, original factory from the Apple. So the next phone, this is also iPhone 7, it's absolutely work. 3D touch ID, camera is absolutely work. NFC also absolutely work. Not bad condition, I think this is maybe good condition. Have protective screen. Additional screen is ideal because this is have additional protective screen. So this is iPhone is absolutely work. I buy this is cheaper because here was this model screen from this iPhone and I just changed. I make it fully work. And the next phone, this is 8 Plus. I use it just now. This is my best phone. It's have scratches from the back side and just glass, and from the front. Also, this is just protective screen. Itself phone is absolutely work. 3D touch ID also work. NFC, camera is absolutely pretty good. I'm very like this phone. This is my best at the time because it's absolutely work, and the best work in my collection. This function is absolutely work. Only have scratches from the backside and the front, but it's only protective screen. It can be changed from the any moment. The next phone, this is iPhone 10, has one crack only, and everything else is absolutely good condition. Screen, body is good condition. Storage 256. Every detail in original, but this phone is doesn't turn on. The next phone, this is iPhone 10R, have scratched, screen protective and backside on the body. Also doesn't turn on. So the next phone, this is iPhone 10R, white color, very pretty, and is blocked on the iCloud. So this is suitable for only unlocking or only for parts. The next phone, this is iPhone 11, condition very good, but it's also block iCloud, so this is also only for unlocking or only for parts. And the last phone, this is I shooting at the moment, this is iPhone 7, has storage 128. Here is this phone, this is ideal condition. Now at the moment I shooting at the 8 Plus, very good condition, absolutely work, has protective film work, touch ID, camera, NFC, absolutely work. This is official phone, has guarantee, full completion, have apples, very good. So what I plan work with this every phones. I want to sell this is every phones, and I want to buy 10s Max. This is my little dream that I want to do, and what I just don't buy just now 10s Max and buy this is every phones, because this is phones very cheaper, and I just collected these phones, and now I plan to sell this is iPhones and buy the XS Max iPhone. This is my little dream. So if you will be interested, please subscribe, please support my video, and write at the comment what you wanted to see the next video. I will be informed you. Sorry for my English because I only study. Sorry for the weather. Maybe one day some at the time. Stay tuned and see you next video. Bye.